Hi everyone, it's Natalie with Thistles and Coos. I have a great product review today. This is the Lewis and Clark. It is a door alarm. If you are traveling alone, this is perfect for just if you need a little bit of safety in your room, because let me show you what it does. It sits on your door and you have this little lever here. Now, my dogs just went nuts when I tried it out and they don't like it too much, but I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to close this, but let's just say that somebody comes into your room and if this is released, it lets off the loudest chirp. I'll do it for just a second. So it falls out of the door and it sounds like this. Oh, that's all I'm going to do because my dogs hate it. So, yeah, he doesn't, no, yeah, they don't like it too much, and they were just barking a second ago. So, but I just wanted to show you, and I have to keep this closed until I take it off the door. But this is wonderful if you're traveling alone, if you live alone, if you, anything to where you want just that little bit of extra, safety. This is great. When you are done with this product, and I'll put pictures on the blog and the review, it just slides, because I'm holding the phone, it slides right into that, so it stays locked. But when I just traveled by myself, I put this in the front door, and it's nice because if someone opens the door, it makes the loudest chirping like you would not believe, and it's just a continuous alarm, and the dogs are anticipating me doing it again, and I won't do it. I promise I won't do it. But anyway, I just wanted to show you. Check out our blog, thistlesandcoos.com, for more information, travel, fun, and we'll see you then. If you have any questions, just let us know. All right, and again, this is I'm so afraid of letting it go because the dogs want to go nuts. So this is what it looks like, and it's really lightweight. If I can just turn it around. There we go. Lewis and Clark.